Okay guys, so this is your bell work for Tuesday, August 27th. And your instruction is to simplify the following with Make 10. So as usual, you need to draw the F boxes, you need to draw the little lines, and then simplify these using the Make 10 strategy. So go ahead, pause the video, take about 2 minutes doing these on your own, writing them down, and then you can continue playing the video to make sure you got your answers correct. Alright guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and simplify these using the Make 10 strategies we've talked about in this class. Remember, anytime you are using Make 10, you're going to have 3 boxes per problem. 2 of them are going to connect with a little kind of arrow shape. And then one of them is going to be your answer box. You're also going to have a little spot where you put what you are making underneath one of the boxes. This is the format that you saw on the form we did in class as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add those. And then it's just a matter of filling in all of the missing parts. So on the first example, we are adding to 36. Okay, well, the next multiple of 10 after 36 is 40. So that's what goes in that little spot underneath the first box. In the first box is what it takes to get to 40, so I add 4 to 36 to get to 40. And then the next box is what's left once I've taken 4 from 9, so 5. Again, what we are doing is we are simplifying the process by adding to 10 every time. And really, you just have to know pairs that add up to a multiple of 10, which is why this strategy works. So if these 2 numbers add up to 40, okay, there's only 5 left, so the answer is going to be 45. You've seen this process a lot, but I'm just making sure that we remember how to do these things. B, I'm doing subtraction. Again, noticing the sign we're dealing with is very important in the Make 10 process. So you do have to realize that I am doing subtraction from 72. So that means I'm going to be going down to 70, and it takes 2 to go down to 70. Once I've taken 2 away, there's 6 more I have to take. So then I have 70 minus 2, which gives me 64. Last example, again, we need to find the multiple of 10 that we will be making. So I'm starting at 23 and I'm doing addition. So that means it's going to go up to 30. Okay, how do I get there? Well, I take 7 away from the 9, meaning there's 2 left. So 30 plus 2 is 32, and that's the final answer. So that is your bell work for today. Okay, the next thing you need to be doing is working on adding and subtracting integers review. You are doing that on your own, and then you are checking it with the key I have posted on Google Classroom. You will then move on to the new notes for today. Thanks for listening.